In order to track critical activities in Apparel Footwear solution, first you need to add a template to the style. In another session, we explain how to create a new template. In this case, you just select the template. The template already has all the activities. It has also the role of manager will be responsible for each one of the activities, and also based on the practice of the customer, you need to load the lead time for each one of the activities. Basically, this lead time can be changed during a project creation, but it will be the best practice to have the specific lead times on the template. So you only have to update the style. Once you have everything in place, you just right click and create a project. When you open the critical path form, all the information from the template will be loaded, and there you have two options to plan the project as a forward planning or backward planning. By default, every project will be created forward from the date you create the project, or you can do it backward, for example, from the delivery date of the order, for example. So you just enter the date, replan, and then you have all the dates already calculated. Basically, this is a basic for creating a time and action calendar for each one of the style. Once you have all the information, you just add, and that's only the project. Then you have to create the activities. So you have to assign each one of the phases to a user or employee in the company. You can also link it to a customer or vendor. Some of the activity will be linked to the vendor, and using the web PLM, those activities will be accessed by them. So you have a view, a Gantt view to access the activities. All the activities are grayed out because they are just planned and are in progress. You have different colors. If the activity is expired, it will be shown in red. If it is closed on time, it will be shown in a green color. So you have all the information. Of course, it's linked to an SAP activity. So user mainly what they do is enter in the content tab all that information needed. That information is also accessed on the web PLM, and also of course those activities are also linked to vendors and customers. So example will be an approval of a style or anything regarding to logistics from the supplier side. So you also have another view, is a critical path overview. So in this example, it's only one style, but of course you can browse by season, collection, or customer, vendor. Or you can just go to events and activity, and you have all the activities related to the style. So if you close an activity and update, you see the activity will change the status on the critical path. Now the activity displays as green as it is closed, and it's closed before the due date. And that's how you track activities mainly in the Apparel and Footwear solution.